Hello everyone, it's me Uncle John. Today I am going to read S3 3175 Volcano Trek by National Geographic Digital Media by Rob Waring. Words to know. The story is set in Africa, in the country of Ethiopia. It happens in the Afar region near a volcano called the Arta Ale. Volcano is a mountain with a large hole at the top. This hole is called a crater. In an eruption, a volcano produces very hot melted rock. When it is under the ground, this hot melted rock is called magma. Once it comes out of the volcano, the hot rock is called lava. Sometimes lava comes together in the crater. This is called a lava lake. Volcano explorers. Paragraph B. This story is about two explorers from Nice, France, Frank Tessier and Irene Margaritis. These explorers are geologists who are trekking to the Arta Ale volcano. They ride camels to get to the volcano because it is difficult to reach it. Volcanoes can be dangerous. The geologists want to study the volcano's lava, rocks, and soil. They want to learn more about volcanoes and how they work. This information may help people and save lives. Millions of years ago, man's earliest ancestors lived in Africa, in a far region of Ethiopia. Here in this area is the Arta Ale volcano. Hot lava has erupted from this volcano for about 100 years. The temperature of the lava here is more than 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Now a team of explorers is going to explore Arta Ale for themselves. They want to learn more about the volcano. However, it's not an easy trek, and the team has to use camels to get to the area. The camels are able to carry the team and the heavy things they need for their research. The explorers and the camels finally reach the crater of the Arta Ale volcano. The Frank Tessier and Irene Margaritis are professors at the University of Nice in France. They are geologists or scientists who study the earth. They have traveled halfway around the world just to see the Arta Ale volcano. They are hoping that they will find something very interesting. They want to find data that will tell them about the history of Earth. The geologists look down into the volcano. Deep in the crater, they can see the black lava lake of Arta Ale. Professor Margaritis is very happy to finally be here. It is quite exciting. I want to see it now, she says. Very soon they will go into the crater and look at the lava more closely. But why is the Arta Ale volcano so special for geologists? The Arta Ale volcano is in the Afar area of Ethiopia. The Afar Triangle is in an area where three continental plates meet. These plates move farther and farther apart every year. Because of this, it's an area that is always changing. Arta Ale has the oldest lava lake in the world. The lake is also one of the lowest points on Earth. At Arta Ale, geologists can study how the world began millions of years ago. That's why this place is so special. A lava lake is a mixture of hot and cooler lava. Very hot lava comes out of the earth. This lava forms the base of Arta Ale's lava lake. As this lava cools down, it becomes hard and black. However, a lava lake is a place of change and movement. Soon hot magma breaks through this covering as the volcano erupts again and again. Altair is an active volcano, and it's far to say that it could have a big eruption at almost any time. Geologists stand at the top of this active volcano and wait at the side of the crater. It's very interesting for them. But it's not easy to be here. There is a very strong smell of sulfur in the air, and even in the early morning, it's already very hot. It soon gets even hotter as the group goes slowly and carefully down into the crater. Professor Tessier wants to collect samples of the red-hot lava near the lava lake. The team spends many hours down by the lake. It's a very long day for the geologists. In fact, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. When they return from the crater, they have all worked very hard. Professor Margaritis has only one thing to say about the trek. Very hot, she says with a smile. Everyone is pleased with the lava samples the team brings back from the crater. I think this is fresh lava, Tessier says about his samples. He then explains to the team that the pieces didn't come directly from the lava lake. However, the team decides the samples are fresh enough and they put them in a bag. The geologist will analyze these samples later. After a difficult trek, the team finally has their samples of lava. They will now leave Altair and go back to study the lava. What do they want to learn as professors, Margaritis and Tessier want to learn new information that they can teach to others. However, as geologists, they also want to know what the lava of Altair may teach them. The lava may help them to understand more about Altair, about volcanoes in general, and about how the world began millions of years ago. Man versus volcano. Can there be a winner? Scientists tell us that the Earth currently has about 70 active volcanoes. Right now, there are probably about 20 volcanic eruptions happening in the world. Some of these eruptions are large and some are very small, but all of them can be deadly. The number of people on Earth is increasing. As a result, people often find themselves living in dangerous areas near volcanoes. About 3 million people live near Mount Rainier in the US. Another 1 million people live near Mount Etna in Sicily, Italy. It is quite possible that either of these areas may experience a volcanic eruption in the future. For centuries, scientists have tried different ways of protecting people from volcanoes. They have tried stopping the eruption, forcing the lava to move away from where people live, asking people not to live near volcano, making plans for people to leave the area of an eruption quickly. None of these ideas were particularly effective. Geologists are now trying to find new ways to know when a volcano is going to erupt. They know that most volcanic activity happens near the sides of a continental plate. These plates are always coming together or moving away from one another. When a lot of magma pushes up on the moving plates, we often see a volcanic eruption. Geologists also know that before the eruption happens, something called lahar starts moving under the ground. Lahar is made from hot water, magma, and pieces of stone. Geologists are now using a machine that's placed under the ground. This machine keeps a record of the movement of the lahar. When there are a lot of quick movements, scientists know that an eruption is likely to happen. The end.